Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a sound quality test in the Realme X2 Pro device. So where a lot of viewers are very eager to watch this kind of video. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating guys a sound quality test in the Realme X2 Pro. So the key feature in the Realme X2 Pro is that you get the dual speakers, one on the top and one is in the bottom. So let me show you the what variant exactly I'm using in this video. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, Tech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting and comparison reviews. As you can see, a model what I'm using 8GB and 128GB variant, Snapdragon 855 Plus. So I'll be loading one of the audio from the YouTube, and I'll be turning on this sound monitor device. Realme X2 Pro is very good. So because of the front facing speakers, it's very good to watch the videos in the phone in the Realme X2 Pro without even using the headphones. So after using this phone, probably most of my videos I'll be watching only with the loudspeaker, not with the earphones connected, because the quality is very good. And as you can see, these are maximum decibels is called recorded in the Realme X2 Pro device 103, which is very good and decent score. So definitely I'll be doing the side by side comparison with the other devices like the Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi K20 Pro, Honor 9X as well. This kind of sound meter test definitely I'll be doing for all my devices as well. So stay tuned guys for more videos, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, do not forget to comment below. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.